The cinnamon tree. Oh. So it's from the tree back. There's no fruits for cinnamon. No fruits.
No.
No fruit.
I
No fruit.
never see
No
the
flower. No flower. No fruits.
I think they have fruit or flowers, but I never see.
Oh, let me see. Okay. Okay. The banana tree is also, make banana. No, this banana tree, right?
There is banana,
Mm,
and this also the banana tree.
Oh, okay.
And over here we have pepper.
Pepper tree. Oh.
Yeah, so the black pepper and white pepper
Oh.
from the same plant. You know
Can,
that?
I don't know.
Yeah.
How they have a thing?
Yeah. So the black pepper and white pepper come from the same plant. Yeah, we use the fruit for make black pepper, and just the bean for white pepper.
Oh, so it's the same fruit.
Yeah, same plant, same fruit.
Same fruit. So
Yeah.
where is the white and the black together, side by side?
Yeah.
Oh.
When it's not too red,
Ah.
yeah, we harvesting and then we dry and
Ah.
become a black pepper.
Oh.
And when it's ripe, the ripe pepper, the color is red,
Ah.
and also sometimes the color is yellow. Yeah, so that is we harvesting, and then we put in the water. We wait about a week, and then we get out the bean, and then after that we dry and become white pepper.
Okay. Okay.
And this is cloves,
Fruits.
cloves plant.
Ah, fruit plant. Where is the fruits? No fruits.
No,
No fruit.
because this is still young.
Still young, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
So the clove flowers come from here.
Ah, okay. Really can have that smell.
And also this is cassava plant, the crackers.
Crackers?
Yeah.
Oh, just now the crackers.
Yeah, so we get the crackers from the root.
Ah, the root.
Yeah.
Oh, from the
Okay.
root.
The root.
Tapioca.
And then we cut it.
Cut.
And
fry.
then we add some turmeric for coloring.
Turmeric. Ah.
Yeah, and then we fry it.
Oh, okay. Wow. Mỗi dạng nghe vào nói xịt cái này.